Hello friends and followers, welcome back to my channel Microscopic Biology. Recently I've been thinking about increasing the number of videos that I have while also teaching my audience everything about biology. One idea that stuck with me is to start a group of biology lectures. Now these lectures will cover the majority of biology concepts. The aim of these lectures is to make many confusing concepts such as cell division and DNA replication easier for you to understand. I will also try to keep these lectures under 15 minutes so that you have time to process all the information that you have just learned in the lecture. If you are struggling with biology and want me to explain any topic, feel free to comment or even email me at microscopicbiology@gmail.com and I will get to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to show it by subscribing, and as always, I'm Mike from Microscopic Biology.